count it all joy. Don't be surprised when you're despised. Count it all joy. The testing will bring us endurance. Our portal is open, new spirit and heart the city impart. Portal is open, his covenant written in us. Put on the full armor of Yahusha, and over evil we'll have the power. We stand with breastplate and belt of the truth. Our feet are fitted with good news of peace, protecting us with our shield of belief. Salvation's helmet and spiritual sword, the mighty lion, through us he will roar. Judging fire is cleansing the bride, all filth deep inside. Judging fire, maturing us into his life. Behavior is our worship and praise. In us his love stays. Behavior is our entrance to eternity.